Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com, and welcome to week 4 of our Make It Monday Summer Warehouse Sale. That's right, week 4. We're only doing 5 weeks. After this week, there's one more week left, so it's counting down. We're over the halfway part and heading towards the end. Now, if you don't know anything about our Scrapbooking Made Simple warehouse sales, well, welcome. You are going to love the savings. Love them. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off and more on your most favorite brands. I mean, we've got everybody covered. Everybody you can think of. And each week we introduce new products to the sale, new brands to the sale, so that you have a reason to come back and look again. Week number 1, we had Creative Expressions and Crafter's Companion, and whatever didn't sell in week number 1 rolled into week number 2. Week number 2 was a smorgasbord. Week number 3, I had it's just been too much fun. Every single week, the product that hasn't sold in the previous moves forward, and then I come back here on Mondays and I bring you other product that is just now getting onto the site, brand new to you at 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off, and sometimes more. And today, I said last week we were going to have to do Sizzix in 2. So this is the second half of the Sizzix part of our warehouse sale, and I have Spellbinders for you. Now, being new, if this is new for you, there is a video that I strongly encourage you to watch on the terms and conditions of this warehouse sale, because it is different than any other sale you will ever participate in. Truly it is. There are very specific terms and conditions specifically about the wait times for shipping, because we are a very small independent mom and pop retailer selling you a $20 die for $1. There's not a lot in $1 for me to spend on hiring new people or adding resources. But what it does do is it gives me the opportunity to allow you out there, the makers of the world, to be able to afford your hobby. So for getting these amazing deals, amazing that you may not be able to get any other way. I mean, maybe a $20 die is just out of the budget, but now this $20 die is $1.99. So you'd rather get it sometime than never. So just watch that video. It really does explain everything to you. And if you don't watch the video and you choose to shop, we're assuming you're agreeing with everything I said in the video. Honestly. Now, shipping has already begun, but shipping will take longer and longer and longer. The longer the warehouse sale goes on, the more manufacturers, the more brands we add to it, the bigger the orders become, because you have more to choose from. So hang tight. You are always welcome to call us or email us and just ask where we are. Once we're done with the warehouse sale, every now and then in a YouTube, I will give you updates so you know where you are in, kind of the pecking order. But some orders have 400 items on it, 400 of them, and some only have 2. We pick, pack, pull, and ship in the order that we received it. So today it is about Spellbinders and the remainder of our Sizzix. Just know that what I am showing you is by no means the only things we have from these 2 companies. We have pulled just an assortment of things to show you and share with you and entice you and help you save. So a few things from each company. But right now, it is all online ready for you. So you will be able to see all the new product. You'll be able to see the product moving forward. We've categorized it by, I think, $2 and under, $5 and under, $10 and under, so you can pick the category you want to shop from. Have fun, enjoy, take advantage of these savings, and remember, pass it on. Make something for somebody that will make their heart happy with all of the beautiful product you're going to get from us at such a discount. All right, are you ready for me to tilt down and get started? Me too. Down we go. So week number 4, and Let's see what we've got. All right. Sizzix. Let's go with Sizzix, shall we? I have got 3D impressions. Oh, this is a Tim Holtz. Hello. This is a Tim Holtz. It's like an emboss and cut. So it embosses and cuts at the exact same time. Yeah, we're going to have Tim Holtz product in there. You're going to find Tim Holtz scattered all the way around for Sizzix. We've got some 3D embossing folders. This one is your hearts, but then we've got another heart 3D embossing folder. So you could get both of them and have the whole collection. So these are 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. Ooh, say hello to Tim Holtz. I know that Tim Holtz is at least 50% off. I am positive he's at least 50% off. Oh, and look at how cute is this. Look at that cover plate. That's darling. So cute. And what's this? Look at, oh, this allows you, this makes a step card. Look, it'll make this little, with the little easel card. Look at that. Wow, it's Stephanie Bernard. So we've got Life is Sweet, You Are Beautiful. Cute. And it allows you to make the little panels for the little easel card. 60, 70, 80, 90% off. I have got Winter Wishes. I've got a stamp and die set. So you get all the stamps with the sentiments. And then you've got dies to cut them out. Look at how cute is this. Makes a little frame and you put your little sentiment there. Cute. And then I've got from Jen Long, I've got a fold along. Look at the panda bear. And he's 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. Don't know how much he's off, but he's cute and he's going to be on sale. And then it looks like we've got the Tim Holtz little pick for your dies on sale, probably 50% off. And it looks like we've got some of their little bubbles to do shakers with. We probably have more shapes than this. I'm not sure, but maybe. So for Sizzix, oh, wait, and then we've got stencil film on sale as well. So this is like a vellum. That's the best way to describe it. It's more like a lightweight vellum than it is anything else. So we've got some vellum on sale. We've got a tool on sale. We've got the little shaker bubbles on sale. And then we get into some of the fun dies. Let me go back just a little bit. We got some of the fun dies from Jen Long. This is from Linda Canese and Stephanie Bernard and Caitlin and Tim. A little bit of everything for somebody, all on sale. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. And I'm sure that Tim is starting at 50% off. Positive of that. So some Sizzix for you. Now that will round out the collection from last week. And then I have Spellbinders. And again, this is a small sampling of Spellbinders that I have for you. Small. I have got Glimmer. Oh my gosh, this one says you're the best. Glimmer plates. Glimmer plates I've never even seen before. Look at how beautiful is that. And I think Spellbinders starts at 60, 70, 80, 90%, or they might start at 70%. I've got Jane Davenport Glimmer. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, pretty. Oh, is it Glimmer and a die? Oh, you get both. Love that. You got the Glimmer, what looks like the Glimmer plate, or are they, yeah, it says Glimmer. You're getting the Glimmer plate and the die cut to cut it out. Wow. Love that. Oh, this is stunning from Jane Davenport. And you get the dies and the Glimmer. Oh my gosh. And it's I know it's between 60, we're starting them at 60 to 70% off and then going 80, 90%. Wow, that's beautiful from Jane Davenport. I have got a glimmer plate that says Believe for Christmas. I've got some Richard Guerre, looks like a die, and your matching sentiments. Cute. I've got, boy, if you just need basic flowers, here you go. If you want to start die cutting, if you are new to the die cutting journey, well, this is a great set because it's just flowers, basic layering flowers. Can never, ever, ever go wrong with basic layering flowers. I have got Glimmer. This is from Amazing Grace. So we've got these beautiful, and there's one, two, yeah, look, there's a frame that goes around this one. These beautiful seals. So thank you. Now, if you don't want a glimmer, let's say you don't have a glimmer or a foiling machine, not a problem. Ink these up and send them through. Ink this up, send it through. Ink it up, send it through. Use it as a letterpress. Use your Big Shot machine. Have fun. They're going to make a great letterpress. And at this kind of price, if you're thinking about getting into foiling, pick these up now because they're not going to be this price again. Another Jane Davenport Glimmer. Oof, that is beautiful. Look at that. Ink this up and send it through, or use your squishy and your knock knock to make an embossing feature with it. There are so many things to do with these dies besides using them as a glimmer plate. You've got the glimmer and the die to go with. Oh, and look at this cute little lumberjack. Lumberjack days. This is great for dads. What a great little dad. You've got the stamps and the dies to go with. So fabulous things from Spellbinders at prices that are wow, 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 wow. And this is just a very, very small assortment of it. So much more for you online. This is an online only sale, so that's the place you're gonna find it, online only, and it's available right now. So between this and the amazing Sizzix, I think if you can't find something to make your heart happy, I don't know if you were really looking, because there's a lot up and the value is there. It allows for people who may be on a fixed income, who may really need to budget. Absolutely, all do. It's that time. I mean, we're all having to look really closely at how we spend our money. But you all need to be able to do what makes your heart happy. And if we can bring you something that was $20 or $25 or even $10 and bring it to you for $1, brand new, never opened, how can you say no? I can't say no, because that means you get to keep crafting. And if you get to keep crafting, if you get to keep making, this hobby stays. And I get to keep my job. And manufacturers get to keep manufacturing. So enjoy the values, enjoy the savings, and I will see you next week. I will see you next week for, I believe, our last week of the warehouse sale. And then once you'll have that last week to shop, and then when it's gone until we do another warehouse sale. It won't be back. You can't add to your order afterwards. It won't be back up at the site at a higher price. It just disappears for a while. So I am Stacy. This is Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. The sale is on right now. Enjoy, have fun, watch the video, and I will see you next for our Take Two Tuesday event. That will happen tomorrow at 5 p.m. sunny California time, 7 p.m. Central, 8 p.m. Eastern, where Stacy, licensed designer for Sizzix Jacquard and Couture Creations, comes out, and I take some of my fabulous designs and products from these companies and I play with them, and we do a simple make. Right now I am working with my Christmas collection, my July nod to Christmas for 2024 that is available at retailers everywhere, globally, in-store retailers and online retailers. And I can't wait to share with you what I have Tuesday for you. Yummy. Until then, it's me, Stacy, Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. I will see you all later. Bye, everybody.